Good afternoon. It is 3:57 and today is Saturday. I'm sorry, today's not Saturday. I would be at work. Well, actually, I wouldn't be at work if it was Saturday. I would be just getting off work. Today's Friday, and I totally got sick. And needed to hibernate for several days. And honestly, like, I'm not that upset about it because, first of all, I hadn't been sick in a long time. And first, El Cotillo Trail, carefree. I have a view of that mountain from my porch. It's really nice. Anyways, yeah, I'm not that upset about having gotten sick because I accidentally hit the recording button and stop the video. But basically what I was saying is, well, second, the vantage point, that top of the hill right there is the paved trail that I do. This is the not paved trail on the other side of the mountain, and they both are wonderful. But anyways, like I was saying, training will be, I've decided what I want to focus on now for upper body is a slow muscle up and a handstand push-up, or press to handstand, same thing. And I'm already working on handstands, but pressing into it is a completely different story, because I've been working on tuck planks and stuff, and I can continue to work on that, but that's a skill in and of itself, and I don't necessarily think that it would be responsible for me to try and push anything to like straddle or like straddle plank or anything like that, because my joints, my wrists specifically, and elbows need a lot of attention and mobility, and my shoulders, and I just need to like prepare my body to be able to like even handle those kinds of positions. But it'll be good to train this week because I didn't train at all this week. So I'm using it as an opportunity basically just to rebuild from ground zero. I'm just starting over basically. I feel like I always start over, but like in a continually moving forward kind of way. I don't know. But I'm gonna go home, stretch and meal prep, and then tomorrow's Saturday, and then I've got work, and then I'll do some mobility as well. So I guess I'll see you for that. See ya. Happy Sunday, 3:36. Just got done with work. And I am gonna make some food. I just got done packing up all my bags for the week. Actually, they're right here. This is my gym bag. And then I put like my lunch in there and my change of clothes in there for the gym and like any other thing I need for the day, and then my gym bag. And then this is here to remind myself to do my laundry tomorrow, and also is holding my jacket. But anyways, time for eggs and then spaghetti for dinner with some beef and possibly an entire jar of pickles. We'll see. Picked up a couple of these for... Oh, fuck! No! Dude, no! That's so tragic. I was at the store and I thought I grabbed two. I thought I grabbed two of these, but I grabbed a freaking Swedish fish, and my freaking fiance made the same mistake. Oh my god, I can't wait to tell her. She's gonna laugh so hard. I mean, I'm gonna try it. I'm not necessarily looking forward to it. I don't know, it seems kind of spooky. This was a lot better. Anyways, that was it. But, yeah, I'll see you tomorrow in the morning at the gym for some lower body for the first time in like a week because I got sick. Anyways, see you tomorrow.